girl in that the idea is to bring your partner towards your right, for your partner towards your right, and kick. Now the next option is open her up, shuffle, in, shuffle, bring her in. Now I can move her out towards my right, stretch out, bring her in, stretch out, and the next option is bring her in for a drop. So I move her towards my left and out. So I lock this in, pull her in, out and open out. Now once